There are so many companies and online programs out there right now, and honestly, it can get overwhelming trying to figure out what's real, what's hype, and where even to begin, really. That is one of the reasons why I've been enjoying Pay It Forward Learning Center on Skool. What really stands out for me is the really low monthly access and the variety of live daily classes every week. And it's from real people that's actually doing the work. Inside the community, there's 80 plus classes covering things like Amazon affiliate and influencer, KDP if you want to publish a book, journals, coloring books, showing you how to start your own Etsy shop, print on demand. There's even mystery shopping. My next favorite is UGC, user generated content. There's even digital marketing, credit repair. There's a Bible study group too. There's even business foundations. If you don't even know where to start, there's a foundational class that can help you get started. Website building, social media marketing on the big platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and there's so much more. 80 plus offerings. And what I personally like is that you can actually explore different interests without needing to spend thousands of dollars to figure it all out. Sometimes all it takes is just one new skill, one idea, one connection to completely change your future. And for the cost of lunch every month, it's honestly a really interesting place to explore. If you've been curious about creating your own kind of freedom, your own income needs, or the flexibility in your life that you've been wanting, there's no pressure, there's no hype. It's just learning, growing, and seeing what's possible. So if you've been curious about learning new skills online, even just a tiny bit, maybe you just want to create additional income streams, or simply exploring what's possible from home, I left the link below this video for you. Just take a look around, explore the classes, and see if something sparks your curiosity.